Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove vocal from a song in Suno AI. This is useful when you already have a track you like, but you want to use only the music without the vocal sitting on top of it. By the end, you'll know how to isolate an instrumental version of a track you generated in Suno. Perfect for karaoke, backing tracks, or remix work. Make sure you're signed in to your Suno account and that you have enough credits available, since stem extraction uses credits. It's always a good idea to check this first, so you don't start the process and then realize you need more credits before extracting the file. Start by opening Suno in your browser. From the main interface, head to the Discover area or your home screen. Then move straight into your library. The library is where all your generated songs live, making it the fastest way to access tracks you want to process. If you have a lot of songs, look for the title, artwork, or most recent generation so you can quickly find the right track. Find the song you want to work on and hover over it. Click the three dots to open the context menu. This menu is where Suno keeps the advanced actions for each track, so you won't need to leave the page or hunt through settings. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you are hovering over the correct song and using the track from your own library. Choose Edit, then select Get Stems. Stems are separated parts of your song. Think vocals, instrumental, and sometimes specific elements like drums or bass. Extracting stems is the key step that lets you mute or remove the vocal and keep the music underneath. This is basically Suno separating the song into usable layers, so you can work with the part you actually need. You'll see two options. All detected stems cost more credits, and attempts to split the song into multiple parts, such as vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. This is best if you plan to remix or rebalance the mix later. For example, if you want to make a new beat, lower the drums, add your own bass, or use the vocal separately, this option gives you more flexibility. Vocals plus instrumental cost fewer credits and gives you exactly two files, one with vocals and one with the full instrumental. If your only goal is to remove the vocal and keep a clean backing, the two-stem option is usually the most efficient and budget-friendly. This is the option most people should choose for karaoke versions, background music, practice tracks, or simple vocal-free edits. Take a second to confirm your credit balance and pick the option that matches your needs. Click Extract to start processing. Suno will handle this in the background. Processing time can vary with song length and server load, so let it finish. You'll see the stems appear when it's done. Try not to refresh too quickly or click around too much while it is processing, because it may just need a little time to complete. After processing completes, download the instrumental stem. That single file is your vocal-free version, ready for performance or editing. If you grab multiple stems, you can also mute or remove the vocal track manually in your audio editor to achieve the same result. You can use tools like a basic video editor, audio editor, or DAW to place the instrumental under new vocals, narration, or a remix idea. Before you wrap up, listen on headphones to check for any artifacts or faint bleed, and name your files clearly so you can find them later. Sometimes a tiny bit of vocal texture may remain, depending on how the original song was mixed, so listening carefully helps you catch that before using it in a project. Now you've got a clean karaoke version, a solid backing track, or a remix-ready instrumental, all created directly inside Suno.